what's up everybody? Welcome back to RC Insiders. Over the next couple weeks here, we're going to feature a couple of cool RC trucks from DEERC. They contacted us and wanted to introduce their lineup to all of us. Guys, we'll leave a link there. You can check it out in the description. They got a really cool lineup of a lot of cool RC stuff. This is the one that we like the best. It's the DEERC 300e. It is a 4x4 brushless high-speed monster truck. So this thing looks super awesome, guys. It's a 1/18 scale, brushless motor, metal steering servo, 2.4 gigahertz. So of course, guys, you can run that as many as you want. Metal CBDs, brushless ESC. There's your controller. Things of note, we always have to note, this is recommended for ages 14 and up, guys. So this is a pretty high-speed truck. It is 4-wheel drive, ready to run. Anything we want to see over here, probably have to get, what does it look like, 3 double A's for the controller. Guys, this truck looks so cool. That's enough for the box, I think. That's what it looks like. Brushless RC cars from DEERC. So guys, I didn't really know much about DEERC until they got a hold of us, and I started looking at their stuff, and they got a lot of cool stuff, guys. So let's get this unboxing going. Remember, guys, always cut away from yourself with the knife. Alright. Get it opened up. Of course, guys, as we always recommend, read all the literature that comes with your new RC car. This looks like a customer service card for DEERC, which is cool. I always love to see that RC stuff that comes with support. So you can extend your product warranty to 12 months. So you scan that QR code and do what you're prompted to do. So that's cool. Go through your product manual, guys. I know we're all RC junkies, but it makes sense to just familiarize yourself with the unit. User's manual for brushless RC car ESC. Alright. So go through your literature, guys. You know, we always recommend that. This is just a quick unboxing, and then we're going to take this thing out and bash it and do a review with it. So let's pull it out. No money inside, guys. Alright, let's check out the goodie bags real quick. Oh, what is that? Okay, so you got a USB charger, standard. What is this? Look at that, guys. Looks like it comes with some, a couple extra spur gears and pinion gears. Huh, that's unique. Cool. They must know me. Alright, so that's cool little goodies. And of course, got your little 4-way, and a little screwdriver. And what? Oh, some extra body pins, a couple extra screws in there. Oh, that's cool, guys. A nice little goodie bag in there. Guys, this is a pretty much a hobby grade truck too. Can do some little upgrades with it. You break anything, they do have spare parts you can buy. What's this? There's our battery. Looks like what do we got there? 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp Lipo battery. Cool. And there should be an extra one in the truck too. So let's pull this beast out and see what we got. That's what she looks like, guys. And this is another cool thing with this truck, guys. Check this out. Woo! It comes with an extra body. So that's awesome. And they both already look pretty sweet. cool. That's very unique, right guys? Alright, let's take a look at what it looks like sitting down here. Looks like it has full independent suspension. Yep. In the back. Awesome. Let's take this thing off and see what we got going on the inside. Yes, we'll be upgrading the body clips to our favorite pull tabs. Pretty sweet looking. Alright, there we go. There's our extra battery on the inside. There's our cool brushless motor. That looks pretty sitting in there. Got our ESC receiver. Metal gear servo. Pretty sweet. Those shocks look pretty cool too. Guys, it looks like everything is the little Phillips head screws. So we can do any kind of adjustments. It's got some extra holes in there. Adjust for ride. Look inside there, guys. Those metal drive shafts. Pretty sweet. That'll be a big help for my driving. And in the back too, you got the metal drive shafts. Pretty awesome. Pretty sweet looking truck, guys. So what we are going to do is we are going to get these batteries out and get them charged up. And we're going to head out and put this thing through its first RC Insiders bash. Alright guys, pretty cool. Don't forget to check out DEERC RC. Got a whole bunch of cool little 18s and 12s and some other stuff too, guys. So go ahead and check them out. Alright, we'll see you out and bash this thing. Alright guys, we're out here with the 300e from DEERC RC. I forgot to show you guys the controller in the unboxing part. Pretty nice controller actually. I know I got it on, I'll run it up my hands. It's that 4-wheel drive. Nice little steering wheel here. Another cool thing guys is you have a speed limiter here. So you can start out real slow. If you got a new cool RC guy or girl, of course, you can turn your speed all the way down and all the way up and anywhere in between. You got your steering trim and of course the indicator light. Pretty nice feeling controller though, nice and comfortable. So we'll take it out here and just start driving this baby around. We'll do some of our normal stuff. We'll test the turning radius in it. And it is peppy guys right off the bat. So here's the turning radius on it. Nice and tight as you would expect from a 118. People are out and about now, guys. Guys, this got some speed to it. It's nice. Check out the acceleration. Got some real nice acceleration. What we'll do is we'll run it all the way out that way until it runs out, and then I'll walk it off, of course, get my little daily exercise in, and we'll find out what kind of range we got on it. That's some pretty good range. Alright guys, 375 feet on the control range. That is awesome, right? 375 feet, could barely see the car anymore. And that's where we lost control. I forget what they said you would get out of it. I think it was 280 feet, but we actually got 375 feet of range out of the 300e. Sweet! Let's go bash this thing on the baseball field. Let's go play some baseball. Guys, this thing has a lot of pep. Get dizzy and do some donuts. Backwards donuts? Guys, there's actually people out playing baseball now. It's awesome. It's been a long time. Here, let's check the different speeds on it. So, like I said, you got this little dial here. You can turn your speed all the way down and anywhere in between. So this will be your low speed. Turn it up to, let's say, mid speed. And then where we like to live, this will be all the way up speed. Let's see how it does in this grass out here. Remember, it's a 1/18 scale, but it is 4-wheel drive. Alright guys, just see how nasty thick that grass is. This 1/18 scale with that brushless power, no problem. Let's see if we can get some big drifts going. Wipeout, guys. don't know why I like driving on the tennis court so much. I remember when I was a kid how much I just liked to walk on the tennis court. Like, it was so cool. Now we get to drive RC cars on tennis courts. A good bash session is not complete until you're upside down. Alright guys, so what'd you think of the DEERC 300e? Pretty sweet little basher, right guys? We did some stuff with it. The initial charge time on the battery for the first charge was about 30 minutes. And we actually got just a little over 20 minutes out of the battery. So 2 batteries, 40 minutes of bashing, right guys? Bash is pretty good. All in all, I would call this one a win for DEERC. Thank you, DEERC. Glad to be introduced to your lineup. Got a lot of nice looking trucks and stuff. We'll be happy to bash anything. That's what we do, bash it, right? Guys, don't forget to check that link. You know, check out DEERC's stuff. I mean, they got a lot of nice, cool stuff. And as far as the 300e goes, pretty sweet, right guys? Oh, we almost got a flip out of it. Alright guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button before you go. We're going to do something fun and cool every week. We'll be announcing our next giveaway soon, so make sure you're signed up for the giveaways. Until next time guys, happy bashing.